Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling picture-in-picture so the dynamic island can show video. Go to Settings, General, Picture-in-Picture, and toggle Start PyP automatically. Once done, open Safari and load the YouTube video page. Make sure you're not in an app that blocks PyP. Tap the video, then the full screen icon. From full screen, tap the PyP button or press the home gesture. You'll see the floating player appear, and the dynamic island will reflect playback activity. Now you'll trigger playback controls that the dynamic island monitors. With the PyP window active, play or pause to confirm responses. If the official YouTube app blocks PyP, use Safari and request the desktop site, or use a third-party browser that supports PyP. This workaround lets the system register media. Once the PyP player is visible, drag it near screen edges and use pinch gestures to resize. Make sure audio is audible, so the dynamic island. Finish by using Control Center or the dynamic island to play, pause, or skip. These controls sync with the PyP window. If the island fails to display the video state, close and reopen PyP or force quit the browser and repeat the steps. Make sure background app refresh and media permissions are enabled. If problems persist, update iOS and the app, reboot the device, and test another video. These fixes resolve most PyP dynamic island issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.